Hello everyone, welcome to the official unboxing video for the Hero Arts Holiday 2026 Stamp Along. Let's open up this package and see what's inside. Your kit comes in this beautiful bag here, which is so nice. It has a zipper so you can store everything, all of your homework if you do it, all of your products, all in one nice tidy little bag. So let's open it up, pull it out. And first up, we're going to start with this postcard. This comes in your bundle, and it has information on the back side for how to find the members page, which is where you're going to find information for the event as well as all your links. Then it also has information for how to access the Facebook group only for this event, where you can meet other Stamp Along crafters as well as share your projects and also get updates as well. So this is a very handy postcard. Keep that close. And let's start looking at all the wonderful products included in the bundle, starting off with this adorable custom embellishment pack. This is the Holly Jolly embellishment pack. There's super cute snowflakes, like sprinkles, even these fun kind of pink balls in different sizes. This is going to be so great for little accents as well as shaker cards. Next up is this cute standalone die. This is called Little Saint Nick. It creates the cutest little Santa as well as some presents and his little Santa bag. In the back here you can see all the dies to create this layered set. Great for your focal point as well as little accents as well. He's so cute. He might be my favorite. And then next is a super incredible sentiment set. This is the Merry and Bright Stampin' Cut. So you have these great bold sentiments. I love the scale of these. They're great for your focal point as well as your sentiment. Lots of different sentiments. You have merry, holiday, Noel, love, jolly. You even have a couple scripty sub-sentiments like Christmas and Happy Holidays. So great. And because this is a Stampin' Cut, on the back you have the coordinating dies. And you guys, I don't know if you can tell, these dies are incredible. They cut out so much of the negative space. You end up with such a beautiful lacy die cut when you're done. I love this set so much. Next we have another Stampin' Cut. This is an awesome set, kind of a two-step stamp set here. You have a bunch of sentiments, and then you have some solid images that allow you, when you layer them up, to create presents, a deer, a Christmas tree, even a snowman. This is so cute. Great for some beautiful, clean and simple cards, and a Stampin' Cut, which means in the back you have the coordinating dies to die cut all those sentiments out as well as the images. This is a cute, cute set. It's called 'Tis the Season. And then this is very exciting. There is a tag builder die set included in the bundle. You have a bunch of different dies to create tags. I love the scalloped edge and the little bows. So cute, so pretty. These are not only great for kind of like accents on your focal point for your card as well as tags, but they can create shaker windows. There's so much you can do with these dies. They're going to be so fun and so useful. I think you're going to reach for these again and again. They're just a wonderful set, and I cannot wait to play with these. And then we have some background building sets next, starting off with this Snow Flurries stamp set. This is a large cling. It's going to create a beautiful snowflake background. Think of this either stamped in blue or teals, or maybe heat embossed with white embossing powder. This is going to create some really beautiful backgrounds, nice subtle texture. I think this is going to get a ton of use at the event. And then this adorable layering stencil set. There's 4 stencils in this set. This is a large stencil, so it's 6 by 6, so great for landscape or profile style cards. I love the beautiful scallop, and it's so easy thanks to the layering stencils to get each one of these scallops rows of scallops, a different color. So really, really pretty. And again, I love stencils because there's so much you can do with them. You can use paste with them. They're just so cool for adding a little bit of texture as well as actual some medium in the background as well. So very fun. And of course, we have a paper pack included in the bundle. This is the Jolly Holiday paper pack. You have 15 half sheets. Let's take a closer look at these beautiful colors. So the pack includes 15 half sheets, so 8.5 by 5.5, starting off with some beautiful color wheel cardstock color, some beautiful reds, pinks, of course some greens, and you even get some lovely teals and blues in this pack as well. I think the teals are always my favorite. Love the blues. And then I cannot wait to reveal there's some specialty cardstock in this pack as well. Some beautiful red glitter cardstock, as well as this pretty white kind of iridescent one, and some mirrored gold as well. So a wonderful paper pack, so fun for creating all of your projects. And that's everything in the Holiday Stamp Along bundle. There are 2 ways to participate. The event is October 3rd. The first way is you can purchase the bundle with all those wonderful products and get access to the classes for $99.99. The second way to participate is to just purchase the classes for $49.99. That way you can actually shop your own stash and participate with products you already own. So I love that this event has 2 different options to participate. And right now we do have a special deal for early bird pricing. It goes till August 5th. And for the bundle and virtual classes together, that is $10 off, so dropping that down to $89.99. And for just the virtual classes, it's $5 off, dropping the price to $44.99. This virtual event takes place on October 3rd, but if you can't attend, don't worry, we have all the classes available for replay. And I do want to announce our 6 incredible instructors, one being myself, but we also have the amazing Lea Lawson, the talented Nichol Spohr, the super sweet Carly T. Minner, as well as Meghann Andrew. She's such an incredible instructor. And then of course, the incredible Jennifer McGuire. I'm so excited for these incredible teachers and all the amazing techniques and projects they're going to share with you guys, and I can't wait to see you all on October 3rd.